Hello! Does these nail designs look advanced? But they are actually super easy. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create these designs, even if you are a beginner. Let's take your nail art to the next level. On the first nail design, I have painted the base with 2 coats and then cured between each nail. After that, we are going to apply matte top coat and cure the nail. With help of a dotting tool, we will apply dots here and there on the nail. What I have done differently is that I have mixed the color black with top coat, because I will apply nail chrome afterwards on the nail. I have chosen to take a gold chrome nail powder and apply it to the black dots. When I am finished with the application, I take a wipe with acetone to remove the excess of nail chrome powder. And voila, you are done. Now, you have taken a regular dots pattern to a gold dots pattern. Finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure the nail for 60 seconds. If you want to make swirls on your nails but are tired of the usual way of doing it, why not make the swirls look like they are popping out of the nail design? Start by applying a base and then apply a matte top coat on the nail. Mix the color black with top coat and start creating different swirls on the nail. I usually have a hard time getting my dots the same size when I create a daisy flower pattern on the nail. So why not use nail decoration to get the same size on all the dots? This is an easier way and it looks better in my opinion. Please leave your comment what you think in the comment section. Instead of just putting a nail sticker on your nail, why not do nail sticker shadow on your nail? Let me show you how. It's super easy. Start by painting a base on your nail to layers. Then you choose which nail sticker you want. I will use a sponge to dab the color white on the nail sticker. Before you cure the nail, you remove the nail sticker and finish with your choice of finish, either matte top coat or top coat. You choose which one suits you best. The last nail design of the day is in the style of abstract. The idea to take a simple pattern, to take it to the next level. The choice of colors is optional. Choose which colors you like best, and just take the nail design to the next level. If these designs inspired you, don't forget to like this video. It really helps my channel. Comment below which design was your favorite. I love to know. And if you want more easy nail art tutorials, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. I will see you in the next video.